Hari Om. Today Prerna will be demonstrating a new asana called as Utthita Trikonasana. That is the standard triangular pose. Okay. So before you start that asana, you need to take certain care. That is your standing posture. When you are standing in Samasthiti with both your feet joined, make sure you use the flooring of your room, the partition in the flooring, such a way that you can see there is one line passing which is cutting through the middle of the feet, and there is one more line which is passing, okay, which is passing in between both the feet. So make sure you are standing exactly at the cross section of those lines. Now from here we will start doing the posture. Okay, get ready to do a jump. Okay, and now breathe in and jump. While you jump, keep both your feet parallel and look at the length of widening of the feet. Your feet, the width between your feet should be equal to the length of your feet. Sorry, the length of your leg. That means the triangle between the legs should be exactly an equilateral triangle. Now from here, let her do first at the left side. You have to turn the left feet towards the left side in a two-phase manner. That is, you turn 45 degree your heel and then you turn 45 degree your toes. Then your feet will be perfectly in alignment with the partition on the floor. Okay. What you shouldn't do is, Prerna, can you do it in the wrong way? If you turn it 90 degree, then you see you have just moved the heel. You have just moved the toes, not the heel, and you have lost the alignment. You have lost the line. So please do it again in a correct way. Okay, 45 degree heel, 45 degree toes, perfectly aligned on the line. The other feet remains in the same posture where the horizontal line is cutting in the middle of the feet. So this is the ideal posture from where to get into the Trikonasana pose. Now breathe in and stretch your left arm. While stretching, breathe out and bend to the left side. Stretch your right arm above. Look at your right palm. Let the right palm be facing forward. Now breathe properly at least 5 times in this posture. Once you have completed 5 breathings, at least 5 breathings, then slowly come up with your left arm stretched forward only. Come up, then turn your left feet, make it straight in the same manner. Turn your heels 45 degree and your toes 45 degree and come to the same posture. Now repeat the same on the right hand side. Now right leg will turn 45 degree plus 45 degree. Okay, stretch your arms again. Now breathe out and bend towards the left side by stretching your right arm forward and your left arm above. Look above. Again do the same number of breathing what you did on the left hand side, and then come up again by stretching forward, by stretching your right arm towards the right side. Look straight, turn your feet forward 45 plus 45 degree, and now jump back. Then relax. So this is a very good asana. It basically tones up your overall body. It increases your confidence. It also is very good for your back, your spine, your trunk, your feet and your legs. So this is a asana which overall tones up the body. it increases the balance in your body, it regulates the blood supply when you are doing it to the left side. There is a additional irrigation effect that happens on the left side, and similarly the opposite happens when you are doing it on the opposite side, that is towards the right side. And it also helps you maintain the balance between your left brain and your right brain, which basically controls the rational and emotions both. Thus you end up having a balanced personality, and it also helps in the circulation of the blood, and lot of many more benefits are there, which I don't feel need to be elaborated at the beginner phase. So happy doing Trikonasana. Hari Om.